you are new here, my name is Lily. If you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this look. I know it's not like a wearable look. I don't know how many people are really gonna go out like this. I mean, I personally would. But so if you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so jumping right in, I did my eyebrows off camera already, primed my eyelids, and applied some orange color corrector. I'm starting off by applying a light wash of the Hoola Bronzer in my crease for some definition. Then taking a thin, flat, angled brush and dipping it into the NYX eyeshadow base in white to create the eyeliner. To set that in place, I'm going into the James Charles palette, taking the white shadow and just patting that over the eyeliner that we just did. Going back into this palette, I'm grabbing that green color to create the stripes of the candy cane going vertically along the eyeliner. Then I grabbed a black liquid eyeliner and just outlined the eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Woo, that took a while. I also applied lashes. I took the same white eyeshadow base and I dabbed it onto the eyelashes, and then I grabbed red eyeshadow and tinted the lashes red. So now I'm just blending out that orange color corrector to apply my foundation. I'm just blending everything in with a beauty sponge. This one's Patrick, not SpongeBob, but he does a good job too. And of course, some concealer. I did a cream contour and I was setting it with that NYX palette as you see here, but I did add some more concealer as well, if you're wondering why there's some more concealer dots on my face. Taking the Airspun loose face powder, I'm just setting everything in place. Then I'm grabbing a new blush that I just bought recently from MAC in the shade Desert Rose. For the highlight shade, I grabbed the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, color Lucky Clover. And for lips, I grabbed the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Alabama. Love this deep red color, it's so beautiful. To fill in the rest of my lips, I grabbed the Milani lipstick in the shade Matte Confident, another beautiful red. Okay, almost done here. We're going back into the James Charles palette and I'm grabbing that green shade that we used to make the stripes in the eyeliner, and I'm just gonna use that shade on the bottom lash line. Using the NYX Jumbo eye pencil, I'm just dabbing a dot in the inner corner of each eye to act as a base for the inner corner highlight. And the color I used for the inner corner highlight is from a Juvia's Place palette, and the color is called Macarons or Macaroons. Last but not least, setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Hope you liked it. I had so much fun doing it. I like the way it turned out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.